In this video, we will be talking about bond polarity. A bond is polar when one atom is more electronegative than the other. This is when electrons are shared unequally between elements. The bond with the greatest electronegativity difference is the most polar. If the electronegativity difference is equal to 0, the bond is not polar. For example, the bond between hydrogen and fluorine is polar because fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. The dipole moment is represented by this arrow, which is pointing towards the most electronegative atom. And since fluorine is the most electronegative atom, it will have a partially negative charge. Therefore, hydrogen will be partially positive. The electronegativity trend from left to right increases, while from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. We can see that fluorine is the most electronegative element on the periodic table. Let's rank the following from least to most polar. The first step is to identify that H is present in every single answer, so we can use hydrogen as the base element to compare it with all the other elements. The second step is to rule out H to H and make it least polar because its dipole moment cancels out. Since hydrogen has the same electronegativity value, it will equal to 0, making it the least polar. Step 3 is to compare each and every electronegativity value of the different elements to the base element. So these are the answers from least polar to most polar, and these are the electronegativity values. We can see that Hi is less polar than HBr because its electronegativity value is also lower. HCl is the most polar because its electronegativity value is highest compared to the other electronegativity values. Two mystery elements have the same electronegativity of 1.09. The bond between the elements will be nonpolar. Is this true or false? This will be true because since these elements have the same electronegativity value, it will cancel out to equal 0. There will be no dipole-dipole moment as all the electrons are shared equally. One of the elements is not more electronegative than the other.